Today we will be writing a simple Python program to calculate the number of characters and words in a given string, in a string from the user. So string equals to, we will take the input from the user only. So string equals to input, enter a string. Okay, then we will be using two counters. One to calculate, keep track of the number of characters, and another counter to keep track of the words. So char equals to 0 and word equals to 0. For I in range, for I in the string, that is for each character of the string. Okay, that is what is meant by I in string. Now for each character, obviously the character count will increase by 1, so char equals to char plus 1. Now if there is a blank space, now we leave blank space only when there is when we go to the next word, so the word count will increase. Word equals to word plus 1. So after the loop ends, we will calculate the we will display the number of characters and words. So write a f string. The number of characters is the it is your the number of characters in the string is character, and the number of words in the string is word. Okay, so this is need to change this is to actually it's in. Okay, we check the output. So enter a string. Let's enter Python is easy. So number of characters 14, number of words is 2. Subscribe. Okay.